Hi everybody, welcome back. I hope you had a great vacation. Hope you're ready to finish up your book about the American Revolution. This week you'll finish your typing, you'll do your revising and editing, you'll make it as good as you can get it, and then you will share it with me. I will print it and I will make it into a book like I did for Logan Smith. So it'll have a binding like this. You'll probably have a cover. You'll definitely have more pictures and text features than Logan has in here. So we'll talk about that in another day. She does have a table of contents, and you will as well. So what will be in this book? You'll have a paper called All About the Causes of the American Revolution. Many of you are actually done with that. If you're not done with that, then that's where you should probably start. Make sure that you're finished writing, and then you will type it. Next, you will have done more in-depth research about one of the causes. A lot of you did the Midnight Ride of Paul Revere. Some people did the Battle of Lexington and Concord. Whatever cause that you studied most about, that's your chapter next. Then you would have one of your papers would be about a battle, and we worked on that 2 weeks ago. A lot of kids worked on the Battle of Bunker Hill, and so that's the paper that would go here. Then last week, or the week before vacation, you wrote a story. So you would finish that story and type it. And then you would have a page with your sources, which Miss Patty told you how to do on EasyBib. So you would have a list of the resources that you used to research and learn about these. Now, in addition to that, as if that isn't enough, Logan also has in here something called a timeline. And those are really fun and cool. And Miss Patty has put a lesson on as an assignment today that you can do if you want to. That is an extra, but it's a lot of fun. This is what it looks like. You put the events of the American Revolution in order on a timeline, and then you can get images to go with those, and that can be really fun to make. So that would be an option. It's not required. So you definitely want to be thinking also when you're typing these about the kinds of text features that would be helpful to your reader so that they could understand what you're teaching about. Remember that we had ways to teach vocabulary, subheadings, titles, pictures with captions, maps. A timeline would be one of those as well. So it's a lot of work to do, but most of it is done. So it's really pulling it all together this week, typing, sharing it with me, and then I can help you. I can give you feedback if you'd like. Use your checklist. Do the best that you can. We're not together, so I know it's hard, but you can do the best that you can. And then at the end of the week, you'll share all those parts with me. I'll print them, and then I'll put them in the binding machine, and you'll have your book. Voila! It will be wonderful. If you have any questions, you can write to me, you can call me, we can have a private meeting, or we can have a meeting with small groups if you'd like. So let me know if I can help you. That's the plan. Let's get started today, and look for Miss Patty's lesson on the timeline if that's something that interests you. All right, it was great seeing you. Let's get together and work on this book and get it done. Awesome.